Small updates from the hike. We left the accommodation at 2:30 a.m. and it took us like 30 minutes to go to the starting point of the track. It should be like 3.5 hours to get to the top. We nearly made it. Sun is coming up. Part is mainly crawling. That's Bajawa probably, right?
Bajawa?
Yeah, like the town over there with the...
That one?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, the beginning of the track was fine. But now, it's just like really steep and ashes. Like 2 steps forward, 1 step back, basically. And that's the way. Man, very steep. So loose. Today we're gonna climb 1,000 meters. Trying to make it before sunrise. Getting close. Sun is coming up in the background. Damn! Should only be a couple more minutes. You can see the top. We've made it to the fun part. Just sliding down. Damn. That's the best part about hiking a volcano. Dude, no, this is the best. Whoa! Go! Man, I think I can't stop. Just go straight down. Man, that goes forever. Oh. Here they come. Man, this looks so fun.
Oh my god. I fell a couple times.
Show some speed. Oh shit. Man, this is even more fun when you're behind someone. Left? Okay, okay. We have to switch path. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, fucking slipped. I like had a couple of good lands on my ass. Oh shit. Oh, slipped again. Oh, man. It's a nice way, but tough way to get down. Whoop, we made it to the end.
Hell yeah.
Hell fucking yeah.
Fuck. My shoes are off.
Oh,
Oh, they're fucking broken as fuck.
done.
Oh! They're gone.
Did it have like holes before or not?
No. This was.
That was it.
This is all from today.
Shit.
Well, no more shoes for me. Stuff comes out from inside the insole, bro.
Shoe reveal. Let's see what we got in there.
Oh, my pockets are full.
Shit. Oh. Oh. Shoe reveal number 2.